Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is how to remove blank rows in a table. Sometimes when we get a data, there will be numerous blank rows here and there. It is a difficult task to search one by one and delete them individually, especially when the data is very large. Let us consider this data. We can see blank rows here and there. Removing them separately is a time-taking task. As a solution, we have a very simple option. Let us select the full data and then we shall click on the Go to Special option from Find and Select in the Editing category of the Home tab, which opens up a Go to Special window. In the window, select Blanks option. When we click on OK, we can see that all the blank cells are selected. We shall right-click on the selection and select Delete option from the sub-menu, which will open a Delete window. In the window, we shall select the Entire Row option, which will delete all the blank rows from the table. As you can see, it is a time-saving process. With that said, I am signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.